welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah and you're here at Slays by Sarah. If you're here because you wanted to see the review for this hair, which I've installed like a good week and a half or 2 weeks ago. It's the Kima Kalon color 1B medium size 20-inch hair, and you saw from before that previously I like blow dried it, stretched it out and whatnot. So you know, I'm now in Haiti and I literally went to the beach with this hair. I styled it almost every single day. I also try taking care of it, like literally at night I wrap it into the banana wrapping thingy, like literally I would do it upside down, tie it up so like the curls could stay and whatnot. And this I push this back. And also to moisturize my hair, I use my coconut oil and just to moisturize my own hair, my own scalp. So when I first installed this hair, it was nice and soft, but now it's coarse and doesn't feel soft anymore. It feels hard and rough, but it has looked more natural now. Actually, I'm gonna keep playing around with this so you guys can see. It looks more natural, but it gets matted a lot. Like, I don't know if you can tell. Usually I would take these in between like here and just rip it out if it like becomes knotted. It knots a lot. Yeah, that's what I mean. It knots a lot. So like you literally get to pull it out, rip it, and throw it away. So that's what I've been doing a lot. It looks like my own hair, I'm not gonna lie. So like if I part it, if I had my gel, I would like make this look more natural, but I don't have my gel. I sweat so much here. It's hot here in the Caribbean. But this is how it looked. I went to the water fit, like the sea salt beach water. It looked fine. I literally just went in the water fit hair like this, wet and whatnot, and it's fine. But would I do this hairstyle again? Yes, I'll do this hairstyle again, but maybe not with this hair. Maybe I use the Jamaican bounce hair or something else that's softer. Or maybe if I use this hair, the Kima Kalon hair, I probably make it into a wig. So I can like put it on and off and whatnot, and probably do something different with it. I just hope it doesn't get roughed up like this. Really, it's really rough and doesn't. It feels like dry hair. Like when you if you have kinky 4C hair, you haven't moisturized it. That's what it feels like. It feels mad rough, like literally. So, but it's really pretty. But it has lasted me hair. I'm waiting for this to help me out until Sunday or Monday next week. Then I'm gonna take it down. Yeah, if you want to see the back, let me show you how the back looks. This is how it looks on the side. I haven't really cut it after when I last cut it. I just left it as it was or is because it looks natural. But this is how my hair looks for now. I styled it up. I did a couple styles. I literally used a bandana, used it as a headband so I could tie my hair up into a ponytail, or I did like the half up, half down. That's like how like the puff in the front with the bangs and just this in the back. I put it all as one hair, like one ponytail. But that's like when I go to sleep or like if I'm going out later on or something. I haven't really done much. This has been like mostly my main hairstyle right now with this hair. Just leave it as it is, but with the bangs out like this. That's how I left it usually. But since I'm doing this for now because I'm sweating now on my forehead, so I've been doing like this for today. But yeah, this is my update on how this hair has been treating me and why I have been doing with it. So thanks for watching, everyone. I'm in Haiti, so we hear a lot of winds because all these trees and stuff. It's nice out here, and I gotta go. So continue watching. I'll be here. Send me any suggestions, comments, like, subscribe, send me some emails, do whatever. Repost me, share me, do something. I don't know. But thank you for watching. So this is your girl Sarah. Have a good day. Bye.